Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Ankita. Let's see what are the messages for you to like and subscribe to my channel. Let's see the messages. Two of Pentacles. You are very confused between two people right now, and it is actually affecting your emotions. It is affecting a lot of things. It is actually becoming a hurdle for your growth and success as well, because your mind is diverted, it is distracted between two people, and it is actually affecting your professional life as well. Pentacles, because you had a very good relationship with these two people, like relationship in the same, it can be a friendship or you've known them for a very long time. So now that you're very confused between them, one of them can be a past person or one of them can be new, or both of them can be from the past, or both of them are new. Like, the situation differs from your situation. Like, if your situation says so, two seems to be very important. Something to do with the red hat. Infinity also, like, you want that love, the infinite support, or someone who respects you. So you're being very mindful of taking that decisions. You're not rushing. You know that, uh, these are the people who are there for me, or this is the person who is going to be there for me or with me for a very long time. Ace of Wands. Even divine is giving you that power, it is giving you that authority. It is actually like universe is providing you that, uh, it is giving you the opportunity to choose, or I would say that it is your free will basically. So it's your decision. Yes, if you want answers, you can meditate so that universe can help you with that. Also, I want to add here, as I see the leaves are falling, so I feel, do not take any decision based on your past trauma, or something to do with past. Like, if you are comfortable in that toxicity, you have to heal first and then be open to love. So again, if your mind is going towards that I've been very familiar to this, I've been comfortable with the toxicity, I've been comfortable with something which is actually not right, or which you don't deserve. Like, you deserve the love, the care. Sometimes when you have been through a lot of toxicity, and when someone suddenly they show you love, the care, you feel that it's unreal, it will change. But that is not true. So you have to heal yourself first. You have to realize, like, you have to believe in yourself, that yes, you deserve that love, the care the other person is giving you. So that is the first most thing here. One and two, oh my god, this card had to be in this reading. It's like family, love, happiness. At the end, what matters is that togetherness, who you can actually be with, you know, is very important, because you are going to decide your future. You're going to decide who is your, co parent going to be, like, for your kids. So that is very important, your who you are going to share your emotions, because you are going to be with this person forever till the end. When you grow old, who is that person who is going to take care of you? Sometimes your mind, it plays with you, that if you're familiar with the toxicity, it tries to choose that because you're comfortable in that. But if you are uncomfortable with the love, that means that is the right path. So that is what, maybe universe is trying to tell you. Fire sign, earth sign, we have water sign. 10 is important as a number. Eight of Cups. Even if you love one person, if you feel that you love this person, you're very, strongly connected or attracted to this person, maybe it's time that you walk away from that toxicity, I would say. Sometimes, you know, when you know a person, and You feel I'm comfortable with this person, I've known this person for a very long time, you tend to be with it. And again I'm saying that if you're familiar with the toxicity, first heal yourself so that you can look through it. You can actually see the actual love, the care you deserve. And it's okay if you love a person deep down, but you know that what is right for you. You This walking away is actually for you. It is actually for to heal yourself. This happens so that you can get the love, the care you deserve. The Empress card, feeling loved. The other person makes you feel loved, makes you feel the most important person, makes you feel that yes, this is how love should be. This is how it, you know, this you feel unreal. You feel that it is actually from the universe. So that is what love has to feel like: complete, calm, at peace. I had actually seen this message somewhere that if you are with a person and you can sleep peacefully, like sleep peacefully with this person, that means that person is the right person, because your energies speak a lot. So if your energy is very calm, peaceful with a person, that means that is the right person for you. 3 is an important number, 8 is important. Yeah, see the Tower card. Yes, you might lose something from the past. You might feel that it is very precious, but yes, this loss is actually again a new beginning, a new start waiting for you. The Tower card doesn't always mean that you have lost everything. It actually means that you have the power to begin something new. You have the power to start something much better, with more experience, with boundaries, and that is the power, right? 16 and 7 are important numbers. Page of Wands. And I'll end this reading here with this card. If you see, the person is looking at the wand like it is everything for it. So this is how it feels. You both have to look at each other, respect each other. I can also, see Two of Cups in my head. Someone where you can be yourself. When you look at the mirror, you know that this person right in front of me is the reality. So that has to be felt when you are with this